going down, everybody? We are going on a top secret mission today to pick up a new project. So we're going, got the trailer loaded up. We're already on the road, pulled over, just check all the wheel bearings, make sure the trailer's doing good. I'm really excited about this. I'm hoping this isn't going to be a flop, but that's all I'm going to say. So let's get going. All right, well, there it is. So 71 Ford F100 factory short bed. It has I'm gonna get this thing home and we'll kind of unpack it, but we'll just give you a quick little flavor here. We got it loaded, obviously worked the deal out. Guy's name's Tony, super cool dude. So I'm excited about this, excited about the truck. It has a 488 rear end and a Crown Vic front end already in it. It's set up for small block Chevy and a 4-speed. So we're gonna get this thing home. Maybe I can talk Pontius into stopping and give her a little wash job. I don't know. We'll see what we can do there. But I'm super excited about this upcoming project, and great meeting the guy. Like I said, Tony, thanks, and you'll definitely see more of this truck. All right, well, we're waiting on Tony. He's grabbing a drive lane for me, so I figured I'll do a little walk around. So this is really the only facial weight reducing that's on the truck. We got one here, one here. There is a little cab corner action, but I mean, it's pretty dang solid, dude. The truck's got awesome patina to it. I love the color of it. The bed floor is been rhino lined, but it looks like it's pretty solid. It's got some dents, but I mean, who cares? I think we'll clean that up, maybe do some wood. She got the old tonneau snaps, so I'm jazzed about that. Throw one on there. This side, solid. That's just surface speed. Looks like we're starting right there, but nothing crazy. But yeah, all in all, what do you think? Shoot me a comment. Look at this thing. It's beautiful.
I don't either. Stop at Mike's and then stop somewhere for breakfast on the way home.
A
Breakfast?
double breakfast?
Jeez, 2 breakfasts?
Dude, how many breakfasts do you need in one day?
7.
Over brunchy at least?
First stop, I wanted to check the old wheel bearings. I know I'm being paranoid. You guys probably don't know, but I ate a wheel bearing going and getting another truck last weekend. So just check in on them. But I got the truck on the trailer. We're actually going to stop and pick up a fender for the 3rd gen because we're out here in Roy. And when am I ever in Roy? But that's where the 3rd gen came from. And there was a spare driver's fender or passenger's fender. So we're going to stop and grab that, throw that in there, and keep on pushing home. I just got this bad boy home, hooked up to my truck, went and grabbed the pressure washer because my dad's shop's got hot water. So we're going to hook up the pressure washer with some warm water and go ahead and just blow this thing down. Cross member up front, pretty oily. Try to get everything up as cleaned up as much as we can, see what it really looks like. But I'm super excited. So let's get to cleaning. All right, we got this thing pressure washed, so let's get you in here so you guys can put your old peepers on the engine bay. And not bad. So we got GM slave cylinder, Crown Vic, I believe it's 06 Crown Vic subframe. We got some custom steering, but it doesn't look bad at all. I probably will swap that out and then do like some sort of like racing steering column. That way we can get rid of the selector on the column, clean it up a little bit. The guy was nice enough to go ahead and label all of our wiring. This is set up for a small block Chevy. We're going to be making some new motor mounts, but we have those to kind of have an idea of what we're doing. So that's super cool. And I mean, inner fenders are here. The boxing on the frame up front looks good. Got a sway bar, so that's a plus. And I'll swing you here around back. The only real rust on the rig, like I showed you earlier, this driver's fender has got some right here and some right here, and then underneath the one cab support right there is a little chowdered up. Backside of the cab's got a little bit, but I mean, it's not crazy. He did set the bed up to where it bolts from the top, and put some new braces in. It's a little needs probably some more braces to get it trued up, because it looks like she's a little low on the driver's side. But like I said, we got a Mustang 88. I think he said this is, oh, it's an anniversary, so whatever year that is, 04. I'm sure someone will correct me. It's got some air shocks on it, and just looking at it, I think we might need to address the pinion angle a little bit, but we'll figure that out when we get the motor and tranny in here. And I'm absolutely going to try to do a rear mounted fuel cell, something that we can get up in there and still save the floor, because I don't want to cut the floor out. But I'm super excited. I'm really excited for this one. The plan is the 305 and the 5-speed from the Camaro, the 3rd gen, are going to go into this. So I'll have that T5 rebuilt and put the biggest cam I can put in that 305, and we're going to slam it in here, and this thing should be an absolute hoot. We got probably more of the same thing. Cab support on this side, a little chowdered, but I mean, these rockers aren't bad. This fender is good. So this side of the cab is a little worse, but I mean, it's still not that bad. I can live with that. The Nova was way worse. Scrape off that Seahawk sticker and we'll be in business. We'll get this thing over to my house and we'll get it off the trailer. Maybe I'll get the doors open so you guys can check out the inside and see what's going on in there. And here we go. All right, we got it back over and we're losing daylight. So we need to get this thing unstrapped and get it off the trailer. Well, we got it all offloaded. We got the trailer put away, and it is just too dark to do anything else tonight. So we're gonna get this bad boy buttoned up, and then we'll get back out here in the daylight, do a little walk around around the inside. It's got to bring you back in here. Did you see that? I don't know if you did. Can't believe it. Believe it. All right, so here we go. Let's get you in here. Welcome to my crib. So this is where we're at. You know, it has some race seats in it. Don't dislike them. Not a huge fan, but they don't hurt my feelings either way. So he did do floor pans and went ahead and rhino lined everything, which that's pretty cool. And what? Come ups. Got a penny. What year? 81. All right. I got Mustang e-brake. I already broke the mirror off, so that's cool. I'm gonna need some new mirrors. Nothing lasts forever, but let's hop in here. So, got the 4-speed hole. We got, like I said, there's a couple floor brace issues, so nothing crazy. Got the third pedal. I'm excited about that. It does have some aftermarket gauges in it. He said everything works. He said he thinks it possibly was a resistance issue on the fuel gauge. Easy peasy. We'll get that figured out. Dash is hammered. I don't know what. Maybe y'all can help me too. Carbon fiber in here. What do you think I should do in carbon fiber? I don't know. I'm digging the yellow still. I don't think I should get rid of that, but maybe carbon fiber door panels, dash, and headliner? I don't know. You let me know. But yeah, we got 4-speed hole, nothing crazy. Clean that up, throw a boot on it, throw the 5-speed in here. We got e-brake for that 8.8 rear end, so that's cool. I mean, nothing too crazy. We'll get a boot for that. I'd kind of like to kick that over a little bit if I can. We'll have to see how long. Oh, there's a B. That's cool. We'll have to see how long the cable is. And then we're going to get a jammer bar set up in here. I don't know, maybe a center console. That might be kind of cool, and do stereo in the center console. Kind of blanker plate that off, or do some sort of switches or something in there. But yeah, I'm super duper excited about this truck. I'm super excited about this build. It is going to be on the back burner for a bit, but I'm excited to get into it. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and if you're interested in this kind of stuff, stay tuned. We got a ton coming on my 3rd gen Camaro, obviously getting dug into this, and we got my 66 Nova project. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I got a lot of new followers lately, so thank you to all of you. Thank you to all the old followers as well. But make sure you hit that like, go ahead and follow, because there's definitely more to come. Till next time.